Welcome back to Superbooth 2017, and we're here at the Teenage Engineering booth together with Tobias. Hello Tobias, how are you?
I'm good. It's my pleasure to have you here, and it's our pleasure to be invited. We're showing the PO32, the Tonic, and we're also showing a bit of the OPC, the upcoming synthesizer.
I'm really curious about this OPC because I always thought it was some kind of a video synthesizer.
Yes,
what is it exactly?
Well, it is that and more. So you have basically 8 tracks of audio sequencers. Kick, snare, hats, sampler, bass, arpeggio, chorus and such. So like a traditional step sequencer per track. And then, but like you said, it can do more than that. So you can sequence the effects.
The artwork is great as always. It's awesome, really.
It's one thing that makes people smile, and
absolutely,
it keeps us happy as well. I mean, it's super fun,
and it makes you as a company a very sympathetic company.
Yes.
I really love that.
Thanks. It's part of our philosophy to have fun in all aspects, and like you said, with this, it doesn't have a built-in display. So that allows us to cut the cost a bit, but then you have the display in your pocket or in your backpack. So we use this amazing display, and then why not use it to its fullest potential? So.
Do you also use touch screen control then?
Well, so far it's not implemented, except for showing the different aspects of the OPC or OPZ app. But we'll see about announcing, like if you, for instance, if you want to control video or motion, excuse me, you can use the Unity game engine and create your own graphical world, basically.
Wow.
And it wouldn't make sense to have touch here, but we'll see. So.
And you're controlling the video from the OPZ. No?
Exactly. So. When I'm doing stuff here, you see it's growing the dots, for instance, and all these changes can be programmed. So I can hold record and do stuff on the fly, and then manipulate it further with encoders and different buttons. So this could be part of your live show, basically. Yeah. So you have audio sequencing, you have also video sequencing, and finally you have DMX sequencing. So you have a dedicated track for the DMX protocol, which is basically MIDI for lights for the club lights. So smoke machine and whatever.
Yeah. So there's no need for any video jockey or light jockey, or
you could do a very nice collaboration at least. So you have your stuff that you control on stage, on the fly.
You're right.
And then maybe you could have a team working with you together, but it will be very integrated with the music, with the core components.
Or you can even make, for example, a show like, let's say, Kraftwerk, and one is responsible for the music, and the other one uses another OPZ for the lights and another one for the video.
Yeah, genau. I think myself, I'll have dedicated one unit for the video stuff and one unit or more for the audio, and do some interesting stuff with that.
Yeah, that sounds very interesting. And
also with the device that you have most often a camera, so you could access the photos of the device, of your camera, and sequence that. And that could also be done live. So imagine having a live feed from the audience. Oh, they can see themselves, and wow, this is happening in the moment. Really gives a wonderful presence to the live show.
Yeah, absolutely creative tool then.
Yes, definitely.
Great. Do you have an idea when it's going to be out?
We're still saying September. It's optimistic but realistic. September or Q4 would be the
But when it's Christmas, it should be available and under the tree.
Definitely. I mean, we're doing our best to fulfill our orders, and so far it's been interesting times for us. I mean, some of our early, other products has been selling more than we could have expected. So, but the OP1, for instance, will still be our premium product. We'll still continue to update it and support it.
Yeah.
This will be. This is a tape machine at its heart. This is a sequencer at its heart.
Yeah.
So these will complement each other very well. And then the pocket operators, of course, is the mass market product.
Yeah. Yeah. Great. I'm totally looking forward to have this in my hands. I mean, I could take this right now, but
it's grabbable.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's light, actually.
It is. It's very sturdy. It's not aluminum like the OP1, but it's still very sturdy. There are some inputs and outputs that will be discussed further as we develop it. But there's some interesting possibilities that will be available to control external devices and such.
It also looks a bit like an old remote control. Yeah. I remember such a remote control at my mother's house.
Like this?
Right.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So not all music has to be done like this. Maybe you can also hold it, for instance, and
use the microphone
thing.
or what?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Yeah. Wow. So let's see. When it's out on Music Store. Check this out and try this. Thank you, Tobias. You're going to show us another device right now, but in another video. And see you again at Music Store TV.